Good afternoon and welcome to this freshly mowed Tuesday here from Cleveland Hopkins International Airport. United 1960, a 737 MAX 8 inbound from Houston. And it should be the Aviate special livery.
Flight 1042, yeah, you can either pull right there on Yankee or you can continue straight ahead and take the second right turn on Yankee and face.
Advertising United's flight training program.
And do you want to sit left on Yankee, you said?
Operating here on runway 24 left.
Okay, Frontier 1042, thanks.
Had a nice warm weekend up here. It was in the 80s all weekend. Had some severe weather yesterday. Today we're in the 50s and we are under a freeze warning. So we should get down into the 20s tonight. Oh, you hate to see that. Got this King Air. It's been doing approaches kind of over the lake and then over the airport. I'm not sure what they're doing. I'm not sure if it's maybe the FAA flying approaches or what's going on.
One Bravo, here's empty. One Bravo. Copy one.
I think our FAA friends, that's who it is. It's a Federal Aviation Administration Beech King Air. Got too close to this American A321 because they just turned around and going back the other way, and I saw the Beech flying to my right. Kind of did a split maneuver. I was waiting for him to come in and start filming it. I looked up and like, what in the world? American 1267. Gonna try this again, inbound from Charlotte. But was having a great start to the work week.
You're about to cross the King Air on the right side. It's going to break off northbound at about a 2-mile mile. Okay, northbound, right there. Maintain 3000. Right lane, Romeo Papa 28013, gust 19er, runway 24 left, third lane. In Cleveland, approach Cleveland, 23017 for your runway 24 left. Grade 1 departure, prior arrival.
Phenom inbound from Ohio State University in Columbus, Ohio. OSU. Which when they're on the left side, nothing we can do about that building.
488 Cleveland Tower, runway 24 left at Sierra, line up and way, traffic 1 mile tunnel. That line up and way 24 left at Sierra, you're short 48. One off of Quebec, Cleveland, departure, good afternoon, IDEN.
3777 inbound from Minneapolis, St. Paul.
Can I tell you if you want, that Sierra right there is available.
I wonder if whatever they were doing on the runway, maybe with the ILS system or something. Maybe that's why the FAA is shooting approaches on the right side here.
Yeah, we can go ahead and actually disregard. He's going to be going here shortly.
I don't see the X on the runway like usual when it's closed.
Yeah, he's going in about 1 minute. Fisher 5197, continue taxi up to hold short runway 24 left, and our tower is again.
Continue taxi up to the runway booster 5197.
Different turn this morning. Pain to talk.
Yeah, Unit 6, Unit 7.
That is one pretty citation over there. We'll be getting that taken off here in the next couple minutes. Look at that.
Do the 40 panel one more time, appreciate it, thanks. Ma'am, Minneapolis is showing a special. I didn't get any paperwork about it, so just letting you know that there is a special on 3777.
sure what that means.
909 cleared, ILS right, trooper left approach. 97, hold short 2.
Frontier 2447 heading to Miami.
2004.
Should be Austin the Mockingbird, I believe.
Check 77, turn left heading 260.
They're up early.
77, turn left heading 260. Air 4909 at Alamar, contact tower. 09 Charlie X-ray, sleep in departure, radar contact, climb maintain 6000.
$49.09 inbound from LaGuardia. Looks like they're taking our Aviate 737 over towards maintenance. United Express 6037 inbound from Washington Dulles. I ran over to the United maintenance site to get some close-ups of the MAX 8 and missed the FedEx. There might be another heavy jet inbound tonight. I'm getting some alerts on jet tips that something might be flying in later, so we'll see. Maybe a glitch too, but we'll see. We'll keep an eye out for it. It's a bumpy approach for this Embraer. Delta 665 heading to Atlanta.
Number 1933 Sierra Cleveland Tower, wind 27015, runway 24 right, clear to land, caution wake, turbulence, Boeing 737, 3 mile final. 24 right, clear to land, caution wake for 227.
However, in the 10 minutes I was gone, they did open that runway 24 right.
Delta 6031 cross, runway 24 left and November, contact ground 10.
Which will hopefully eliminate our building problem.
24 left and then on the November contact ground 0.7 instead of 6031.
American 2336 inbound from Dallas. New livery looks good against the cloud. Not much I will say.
Aircraft 5031 clearing ground, taxi to the ramp via Lima Kilo Juliet 1. Taxi to the ramp via Lima Kilo Juliet 1 instead of 6031.
Citation inbound from I don't know, IDK. A little bit of a cross breeze up here tonight. Challenger. Inbound from somewhere out east, maybe Teterboro. Not really sure though, not listed. Well, it looks like one of our Parker Hannafin aircraft that's based here in Cleveland, Ohio. Frontier didn't catch the flight number, unfortunately. Hard to see lining up behind the building. Southwest 2469 inbound from Chicago Midway.
Miles northwest of Western Airport. Descending E175, one final for runway 24 right. FI1 approved, caution turbo.
3054 inbound from Newark. Yeah, we're starting to get chillier up here. We're in for a freeze warning tonight. So those outdoor plants have to be covered. A lot of birds over there. Like seagulls, maybe? Can't really tell. Swallows, can't really tell. A lot of them over there, though. Look at them all. United 2475 inbound from Chicago O'Hare. Southwest 956 inbound from Denver.
2434, airport is at 9 o'clock and 10 miles.
Talking about shutting down the left side.
Here's number 248.
We're going on the right side.
Surface 3000, surface approach 124. Expect 248 for departure view. Okay, expect 245 for departure. The 09 control hold, correct? Yeah, we're just closing the left side before your close out.
Tier 2434 inbound from Tampa. Heavy jet time up here in Cleveland, Ohio, as it starts to rain. UPS 9761 Heavy, Airbus A300 inbound from Windsor Lakes. home, grabbed some dinner, and came back because we got a very unique airplane inbound. Frontier 1048 inbound from Orlando. I have no idea what that is. I've never seen that before. It's like a bridge. No idea. All right, we have a special visitor inbound here to 24 right. It's November 342 Alpha November Heavy.
130020
It's a former American Airlines 767-300, now operating, we believe, for DHL. But I don't think it's painted, so this might be pretty cool. And now from Rome, New York. Got it in painted, it's yellow.
Boeing 1608, turn 15 degrees right, special descent to maintain 4,000. Moderate mixed icing reported in the descent, tops 8,500, tops, or bottoms 5,500.